Fasten your seatbelts and get ready to have your mind blown, because we are about to embark on a wild ride through 10 brilliant life hacks that will make you question why you didn't know them sooner. From everyday essentials to unexpected problem solvers, these hacks are guaranteed to leave you saying, "Why didn't I know this before?" So hold on tight and get ready to discover the secrets that will change your life forever. Are you tired of struggling with stubborn stains on your clothes? Say goodbye to those pesky blemishes and hello to a hassle-free laundry routine. We've got a game-changing trick that will have your clothes looking fresher than ever. And if you're a fan of our videos, don't forget to show your support. By giving this video a thumbs up, you'll be the first to know when we drop our next set of jaw-dropping hacks. So let's dive right in. Grab some white vinegar and pour approximately 1/2 cup into the softener dispenser of your washing machine. If you don't have a dispenser, simply add it to the drum before starting the wash cycle. White vinegar is a natural fabric softener, helping to reduce static cling and make your clothes feel incredibly soft. It also acts as a deodorizer, eliminating any lingering funk and leaving your garments smelling fresh and crisp. Another fantastic benefit of using white vinegar as a fabric softener is its ability to help remove any buildup in your washing machine. Over time, detergent and fabric softener residue can accumulate in your machine, reducing its efficiency and potentially leading to musty odors. The acidity in white vinegar helps break down this buildup, keeping your washer functioning optimally and preventing any unpleasant smells. Plus, it's a much more affordable option compared to commercial fabric softeners, saving you money without compromising on quality. By incorporating this simple trick into your laundry routine, you'll not only enjoy softer, better-smelling clothes, but also a cleaner washing machine. So give it a try and experience the difference for yourself. Do you find yourself constantly frustrated by tangled cords and wires? Fear not, because we've uncovered a nifty little trick that will put an end to your cord-wrangling woes. Whether it's headphones, charging cables, or any other type of wire, this hack is your go-to solution for keeping them organized and tangle-free. So let's unravel this mess and simplify your life. This is the simple trick that's been a game changer for me. Instead of tossing your cords and wires into a drawer or leaving them sprawled across your desk, take a few moments to organize them using this technique. Find a suitable container such as a small box or a jar with a wide mouth. Take a piece of cardboard and cut it to the desired width of the opening. Securely tape or glue the edges of the cardboard to form a cylinder or a cone shape. This will serve as your cord organizer, keeping your wires neatly stacked and easily accessible. Now, here comes the magic. When you're done organizing your cords, place the lid on top and give it a shake. The contents will magically sort themselves into a neat pile. It's like having a personal assistant for your cords. This simple trick has saved me countless hours of time and has transformed my organizational game. No more struggling with tangled wires or searching for the right cable in a jumbled mess. Give it a try and join the ranks of cord-wrangling champions. Is your bathtub faucet dripping annoyingly and you want to stop it? We've got a super easy trick that will have you fixing that drip in no time. No need to call a plumber or spend a fortune on new parts. With just a few simple steps, you can silence that drip and enjoy a peaceful, water-saving home. So let's dive into this quick and hassle-free solution. First, grab a large plastic bag and secure it tightly around the base of your faucet. This will prevent water from escaping underneath the bag and ensure that your DIY project stays dry. Next, start unscrewing the handle of the faucet. If you encounter any difficulties, use a pair of pliers to help loosen it up. Once the handle is removed, you'll notice a small screw located at the bottom of the valve stem. Carefully remove this screw and pull the stem upwards to extract it from the faucet. The key to fixing a leaky faucet lies in this small O-shaped ring that fits snugly onto the valve stem. Inspect the ring to determine if it's worn, damaged, or needs replacement. If it appears cracked, brittle, or doesn't create a tight seal when pressed against the valve seat, it's time for a replacement. Luckily, O-rings are inexpensive and widely available at most hardware stores. Simply find one that matches the size of your existing ring and voila, you've got a brand new part. Now that you've got your shiny new O-ring, carefully install it onto the valve stem, ensuring it sits securely in its groove. Then reverse the steps you took earlier, inserting the stem, tightening the screw, and finally screwing the handle back onto the faucet. And there you have it. silenced that annoying drip and saved yourself a potential flood. With this simple trick, you'll be able to tackle leaky faucets like a pro, ensuring your home remains both peaceful and water efficient. Does the thought of removing carpet glue from your hardwood floor fill you with dread? Fret no more. We've got a fantastic trick that will make the process a breeze. Say goodbye to harsh chemicals and expensive steam cleaners. All you need is a hairdryer and some patience to tackle this sticky situation. Let's blow that glue away and reveal the beautiful hardwood floor beneath. First, plug in your hairdryer and turn it on to the hottest setting. Hold the hairdryer a few inches away from the glue to avoid overheating the floor. Slowly move the hairdryer back and forth, applying heat to the gluey area. As the glue starts softening, use a microfiber cloth or paper towel to gently dab and lift it away. Be patient and persistent, and the glue will eventually start coming up. If you encounter any difficulties, try increasing the heat or allowing more time for the glue to soften. For tougher adhesive situations, consider placing a damp cloth over the glue while applying heat. The moisture will help break down the adhesive, making it easier to remove. Remember to test this method on a small and conspicuous area first, to ensure it doesn't affect your floor's finish. And there you have it. With a hairdryer in hand, you've conquered the carpet glue and revealed the stunning hardwood floor beneath. This simple trick is your go-to solution for quick and effective glue removal, leaving your floors looking as good as new. Do you struggle with opening stubborn wine bottles? No need to panic. We've got a fantastic trick that will have you uncorking bottles like a pro in no time. No corkscrew needed. Whether you're hosting a dinner party or enjoying a cozy night in, this trick will save the day and impress your guests. So let's get this bottle open and keep the party going. This is the trick. Before we begin, make sure your wine bottle is chilled. This will help soften the cork and make it easier to extract. First, place the wine bottle on a flat surface. Locate the center of the cork and use a chopstick or a thin nail to create a small hole. Be gentle and don't push the tool all the way through. Just a small indentation is all you need. Next, slowly insert the tool you used to create the hole into the bottle's neck. Turn the tool clockwise to loosen the cork. As you turn, apply a bit of pressure to help break the seal. Continue turning until the cork is removed. And voila, you've just opened a bottle of wine without a corkscrew. Whether you're celebrating a special occasion or enjoying a glass of your favorite vintage, this trick will come in handy. So don't let a stubborn cork ruin your wine time. With this simple hack, you'll be uncorking bottles like a true connoisseur. Cheers to that. So there you have it, 10 brilliant life hacks that will make you wonder why you didn't know them sooner. From silencing dripping faucets to opening wine bottles with ease, these tricks are sure to impress. If you enjoyed this roller coaster ride through clever solutions, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe for more. We've got plenty more hacks up our sleeves, and you won't want to miss them. Until next time, happy hacking.